how to reduce electricity bill. Save up to 70% of your electricity bill. Apparently, this just took the energy world by storm. A visionary had the guts to dig into the solar panel tech and came out with a cheap, ingenious way to cut power bills by at least 73.5% in less than 7 days. Smart Solar Box is an easy-to-follow guide that was created by a 52-year-old mechanic, Ryan Tanner from Milwaukee. This guide goes in depth to explain how the average homeowner can build an inexpensive solar power bank. This one device, when used properly, will give you the opportunity to save as much as 70% off your power bill by the end of the month. Ryan Tanner claims that his solar power bank has the ability to supply electricity to just about everything in your home. This includes your televisions, computers, and other essential devices. According to Ryan, one charge of the battery is enough to give you up to 20 hours of free electricity. In addition, the device has the ability to charge even if it is overcast outdoors. The Smart Solar Box by Ryan Tanner can be a great choice for anyone who wants to cut his electric bill and help save the planet from global warming at the same time. This guide is extremely easy to follow Ryan Tanner's directions even if you don't have any former experience with similar projects. This is an inexpensive solution that requires little maintenance is another big plus when compared to lots of other sources of renewable energy. Rumors say it's the same secret that got energy monopolies cornered, forcing them to up the price on solar systems. See the full story here. This video has already gotten 213,432 views in less than 24 hours, going viral, and it might be a serious threat for the big energy companies. Have a look now.